USB versus OTG. OTG and USB appear identical, but both cables serve different purposes. USB type cable. USB cable is standard cable which is used to connect devices to a computer or other USB host device. USB cable has a standard USB Type-A connector on one end that functions as a host port and is usually plugged into the USB port of a computer or other USB host device. The other end of the cable may have either a USB Type-B connector, which is commonly used to connect printers, scanners, and other peripherals, or a USB Type-C connector. However, if you mean using USB to directly transfer data between two devices without the need for a computer or other intermediary device, then this is not always possible. Then how to connect two devices directly for data transfer? For this we have OTG. OTG cable. OTG cable is an abbreviation that stands for on-the-go cable, is a special type of USB cable that allows a device to act as both a host and a peripheral. This means that you can use an OTG cable to connect two devices directly, without the need for a computer or other USB host device. For example, you can use an OTG cable to connect a smartphone or tablet to a USB flash drive, a digital camera, or even another smartphone or tablet. One end of an OTG cable has a standard USB Type-A connector, while the other end may have a USB Micro-B or USB Type-C connector, depending on the device you are connecting to. The USB OTG cable has an extra pin in its connector that enables it to switch between host and peripheral mode. So, in summary, USB cables themselves cannot transfer data from both ends at the same time, but USB on-the-go devices can use a USB OTG cable to enable two-way data transfer between the host and the peripheral.